Hey, and welcome to one of my YouTube videos. And in this video, I got a laptop and the battery from the laptop, and so, like usual, batteries from laptops break over time, and so my laptop battery, it wouldn't even keep my laptop on for more than 10 seconds. So I tried replacing the cells inside it, and so here were the bad cells. And so after replacing them, when I tried to power everything on, since the replaced cells were already 4 volts and the other cells were also 4 volts, so I tried to power it on, and it doesn't turn on. So I don't know what the problem really is, but all I know is that if I plug it in, the whole laptop powers on, and then if I look at the battery icon, it says plugged in, not charging. And I looked up how to fix that, but they said it was something about the BIOS, but this isn't the BIOS. The battery's fully charged, but it doesn't want to power the laptop for some reason. So if anybody knows how to fix this, it'd be nice to comment in the YouTube video.